Hi guys, Abhishek here and welcome to Key to Blogging. And in this video, I will show you how you can change your username in WordPress. So let me just log into this WordPress website. So this is just a test website. Now let me just go to the users and let me just click on the profile here. And let me just scroll down, and as you can see, we don't have any option to change username in WordPress. So let's check how you can change the username in your WordPress website very easily. So for this you need to install a plugin called Easy Username Updater, and the best thing is you don't need to keep it active after the work is done. So let me just show you. So let me just click on the plugins here and let me just click on add new here. Now let me just search for Easy Username, and here you will see this plugin Easy Username Updater. So just install and activate this plugin. Once you have activated this plugin, you will see a new option like username updater under the user section. So just click on username updater here, and here you will see this option like username email address. So just click on the update button here, and let's change the username from here. So let me just change it to something like cadence1. Now you can also send a email to the administrative email address that you have set in the user section, or you can just simply click on user update username. Okay, now the username is updated. Let's click on go back here, and let's enter the new email address, new username here, and let's enter the password here. Now let's click on login again. And as you can see, the username is now updated, and here you will see the new username, and you can now use the new username instead of old username. Now you can just simply delete the plugin. So let me just go to the install plugin here, and let me just deactivate this plugin, and let me just delete this plugin. Now let me just click on the logout button again, and let me just add the new username here, and let me just enter the password, and let's click on login. And as you can see, we have successfully changed our username using a simple plugin, and you don't have to keep the plugin activate once the work is done. So I hope this video helps you change your username in WordPress easily. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe Key to Blogging, and leave your feedback in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.